Khulu nivile ke ukuthi anisithele ngesihlahla la niyalapha kunendlu yangasense ngathi siyolanza ibhola sowunyathela umcuba lapha sewubeka umcuba wena la ningayi lemva kodwa ihlahla nayi indlu yangasense nilungiselwe manje nawaya lapha naloku umnanzi ke lokuye emlonyeni usulungisele build it esiphofaneni asigijimeni ke siyogcoka masinyane hamba bongosi yami msefthi sekwende njani
build it sipofanele
Siqale ngalokho ubonga nje. Siqale ngalokho ubonga Silwane kakhulu. Siqale ngalokho ubonga. Lo build it siubonge Silwane ukusendela naye ingcayizi vele.
Thank you.
Sipofanele Silwane la kwendile. Build it siyakholwa ukuthi akusuye yena yedwana kodwa nalabanye laba kulomkhakha wethe business batha kwenza lo kwentiwa ngosipofanele build it ekuthenini bachase lamakhono Silwane le ephansi kulabantwana ku foundation phase.
Uthi gogo we would like to thank build it sipofanele and other partners for making sure that they sponsor untapped talent from grassroots level.
Ngalawo magama ke sithi kusetaba mnanzi siphofaneni lo ngaveli khona uyaphuthelwa asiqhubeke sibanakekele kakhulu abokhewana ngobe likusasa lalelive likubo bona labantwana lefuna ukuthi banakekeleke siyajabula kakhulu nje lokwendiwe ngibuild it nalokuthi ke nagogo naSilwane abe ingcenye lomsebenzi lomkhulu kanje kungimuthe emathanjeni ethu lokho kuyaselapha.
Gogo is saying that build it must continue to support these young ones because they are the future of not just communities but the whole country and the entire globe, which is the world at large.
Ikakhulu ngoba na ungake ulinge kwekuthi ukala inhlandi ngokuthi ayicanke sihlahla leyo nhlandi ngakholwa kwekuthi impilo yayo yonke vela inangcondo. Ngalawo magama sithi ake silingwe ngenzawo lefanele bantwana bafakwe la emagroundini bathathwe bantwana bafakwe kuma theater bathathwe bantwana bafakwe kuwo wonke lemikhakha man nonke man biyani la ngaze ngishaye wena Silwane ngobe angiva ukuthi abasponsorishwa ngani vele abantwana siyabonga kakhulu build it.
Yes, Gogo is also saying that you cannot just test or judge a fish by saying it must climb a tree because the fish will think that it is not clever, just stupid, whereas the test is wrong. Bo babuli abangalingwa ngendlela abangahambikiyo but thank you.